iced coffee.
Yeah, it's a creamy, roaring river of welcome excitement. It's cold brew, dude.
Do I look like some skinny jean hippie barista?
Do you mean hipster barista? Take it for a ride, cowboy.
Wow. You get sparkles.
To show Jim and Carol they can meet life's challenges, we're bringing their son home from college.
Along with a few friends.
Gives you more capacity than the new Kenmore Leap refrigerator.
So you'll be prepared for any challenge.
Kenmore, tested for living. That's Sears.
Feel like you're going.
Lelu? Leila? Leila, what's going on? Lelushka? You happy? You having happy dreams?